Welcome to my channel, Curly Willow Acres. I'm Corrine. So glad you stopped by, where I show some gardening DIYs, decorating, cleaning, all the above. So glad you're here. You enjoy your time, and hope you enjoy this little fall centerpiece. Let me know what is your favorite part about the centerpiece in the end. And thank you again for stopping by. And please consider subscribing and giving the thumbs up. It would mean so much. I'm hoping you guys can see this. It looks like you can from my view. What I've done with this, I don't have a dough bowl, so I have this basket I got for 25 cents at a yard sale. It's really long. I just love it. Instead of eucalyptus sprays, I use this lighted eucalyptus garland that I just received from Lamplus that I absolutely love. I think this is just beautiful. And then it leaves me a little bit of space in here to put all my stuff, too, that I want to do. I didn't have a lot of my fallout, but I had bought few new pieces, so I wanted to add them. What I got from another item from Lamplust is these beautiful candle holders. Aren't they pretty? And I'm going to put one of them at each end. And I know they're going to be a little bit wonky in there, but I think the pumpkins will stabilize them. Got two of them. So they're going to go on each end, and then they sent the taper candles too. Look how realistic they look. And they're on a remote control. So I highly recommend you check out Lamplust. I love all their products. That's where my wreath on my wall over there came from too. It's a lighted eucalyptus wreath. So I got them too, and they look so realistic. I feel like I'm going to burn my finger when I'm holding them. But anyway, all right, so I put them both in there. And then in the middle, well, I got these on, and then I'm going to add some. I think I'll add the florals last. But in the middle, I think, my sister-in-law's going to be surprised that I still have this. My sister-in-law made me this goose years and years ago. I just love him. Isn't he adorable? I think he lost his grapevine necklace. And then I have this beaded little wreath that I got at a yard sale. I'm going to fling that out a little bit, let it make it wispy. And I'm going to put that in the middle, I think. I'm kind of doing this willy-nilly. And then I'm going to put the goose on top of there. So I just think he's cute, and he can be for early fall. And then I got these pumpkins at Family Dollar. $5. Look at all that cuteness. And I'm going to put them kind of in here, I think. Yeah. And then another one over there. Even the stem is like a stick. I was just kind of impressed. You got to get that stuff early at them stores or they go fast. That's what that checkout lady was saying. She'd already bought a bunch when she was putting it out. There, I think I'm liking that. I don't have as many pumpkins as the original Pinterest video, but... And then I'm going to add these florals. These little mums. I thought they would be pretty for fall. I'd already had them. I couldn't get to all my pumpkin stuff yet, so I have to get all that out now that we're into August. Exciting! I don't want summer to end though, so I'm kind of putting it off this year. But I'm adding these little mums everywhere. So really, the only thing I bought was these two pumpkins. The rest I had been given or had. I just really love these products from Lamplust. They are just gorgeous. And this, I don't know if I mentioned, the lighted garland is from them too. And they come with a remote control, so I'm kind of excited to try that. So let's see. I'll put it on a 2-hour timer and see if that works. Oops, gotta pull out the little plastic thing. Okay, yep, it works. Yay! And then I'll put it on a, oh, you can do flicker too. Oh, they were so cute. But anyway, check the Lamplust out. I'll put a link here for you. But I really like this. I think it turned out pretty. Ignore my dishwasher in the background, but what do you think? Do you have products? out yet for your fall decor or not? Tell me what you would have done different or what you like best about it. And please consider passing these videos around to all your friends too. That would help us all. And I will be putting up Tammy and Terry's and Teresa's if she does it. So you all have a wonderful day, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your sweet comments. We appreciate it.